I've just arrived at my room at the InterContinental, Toronto, Yorkville. It is beautiful and comes to no surprise because the hotel did just recently undergo a renovation of all its rooms, and it definitely shows. When I checked into the hotel, I was given a kit, and inside this kit was a mask, gloves, sanitation wipes, and also hand sanitizer. Makes me feel really comfortable knowing I have that during my stay. It's on the couch. There's no throw pillows. The surfaces are very clean. The reason for that there's no high-touch items is because they are harder to clean, but the room still looks comfortable. Have a coffee machine if I want coffee. Again, something they could have taken out but kept because they know the customers appreciate it. Walking into the room, lots of surfaces, which all look very clean. Very inviting desk, which I know I'll be using for work later, especially with the plugs right out there. Really nice touch for business travelers. Again, you'll see on the bed, no throw pillows, no duvet, but still looks inviting. I love what they did with the remote, how it's in its own case, to know that it's been cleaned and put back in its place. Going into the bathroom, it's spotless. I noticed the single-use items for soap, conditioner, shampoo, all that, how it's always been. Nothing looks like it's missing from the bathroom. There's still all the towels, even mouthwash. So all in all, the room looks really beautiful, really great, really clean, and I'm very excited for my stay here tonight.